So let's look at the start first. A rectangular tank has a square base. With a square base contains some water. So what is the meaning of this? Rectangular tank. Square base. Understand? And what is the meaning of squares? What is the special thing about square? All sides are equal. Understand? So that means your length is the same as your breadth. Understand this? Okay? Then it said that the perimeter of one of its vertical faces, it's 480. Vertical means that something like upright one, right? Okay? So if this is the square base, vertical face, with the length and the breadth being the same, does it matter which vertical face we are talking about? No, because the length and the breadth is the same one. And the one that is involved for the vertical will be the height. Height here as well, right? Height and one part of the base. Right? But here all these are equal. And here all these are equal as well, right? So it doesn't matter which vertical face we are talking about, because the 4 vertical face that we are talking about, they are all the same. Understand? Alright? Okay. So now, if not the same, then they have to give you more information. But right now, because it's square, it's supposed to be the same. Understand? Alright? So the next line, the ratio of the length to the height is 3 to 5. Okay? So take note, length is the same as the breadth, right? Okay? So it doesn't really matter whether here they put length or they put breadth. It will still be the same. So we start off with this, length to height. 3 to 5. Okay? And remember, we are dealing with perimeter. So what must I do over here? Times 2. So this will help you out for your first PSP also. Alright, times 2, times 2. Then here we will get 6 to out of. Out of is fraction. 6 to 10. Alright, so 6 to 10, what must I do now? Okay, add them together. And this 16U will represent? The 480. Good, 480. So 16U, 480. Next step. 1U?
1U, 48.
I got 48. 480 divided by 16, you get a 30. Alright? Find the length. Why do you need to find the length? I asked why, then suddenly change, right? So I asked also why. Part A need you to find base area, right? So if part A need you to find base area, what is the thing that you need to find your base area? The breadth and the length. So how do I find the length? 6 times 30. Do you all agree that we should take 6 times 30? No. Why? You just already know it. Angie? Sorry? 6 represent what? 2. So now you should times what? 6 represent 2 of the length. Can you find the 2 of the length? No. You must find the 1 length, right? So, to get our length, we should take 30 times 3. 90. And remember, length is the same as breadth, right? So, can I find my part A already? Yes, how? Don't know. Good. Base area. How do you find area? Length times breadth. The length is the same as the breadth. So 90 times 90. So now the key thing is when I put here, right? Later I will scroll down one, okay? 8100. When I put the 8100. cm square, alright. Okay, remember area must put cm square what? There. So, base area is 8,100. Alright, for this question, you don't need to find the height. Because the height is irrelevant. Understand? There is no use for the height over here. Okay? For this, you don't need to find, for this question. Unless they ask you to find capacity of the tank. Then you need the height. Alright? So now we look at the next part. When 4 stones gently placed into the tank, so this is the one that is related to your example, right? Gently placed. The water level rises by 0.4 cm. So the first question is, how do I find the volume of the 4 stones? Remember just now how we find the volume of the brick? So now how do I find the volume of the 4 stones? Good. Volume, base area times height. This is the base area. This is the height that increased, right? So the volume of the 4 stones, base area times the height that increased, right? Here you will get 3,240. This is the volume of the 4 stone. And then the actual requirement of the question is find the average volume. Average, how to do? Oh, good. Because you all learned average already, right? So for part B to get average, because we have 4 of the stone, which with a total of 3,240, right? To find average is always divide. So 3,240 divide by 4, 810. Okay, so now the 810, what must I write at the end? Good, because it's volume. Okay?